Once it smiled a silent dell, where the people did not dwell. They had gone unto the wars, trusting to the mild-eyed stars, nightly, from their azure towers, to keep watch above the flowers, in the midst of which all day the red sunlight lazily lay. Now each visitor shall confess the sad valley's restlessness. Nothing there is motionless, nothing save the airs that brood over the magic solitude. By no wind are stirred those trees that palpitate like the chill seas around the misty Hebrides. By no wind those clouds are driven that rustle through the unquiet heaven, uneasily, from morn till even, over the violets there that lie, in myriad types of the human eye, over the lilies there that wave, and weep above a nameless grave. They wave, from out their fragrant tops, external dews come down in drops. They weep, from off their delicate stems, perennial tears descend in gems. This has been The Valley of Unrest, written by Edgar Allan Poe in the year of our Lord 1831.